Okay, hello, my name is Joshua Washington. I am the class representative of the junior year, class of 2027. My Nana is one of the best grandparents you could ask for. Back when I was younger, we'd wake up as the sun rose and quickly run into her room, telling her to get up because it was morning. We'd always go for slushies after a Sunday morning service at 7-Eleven as a treat. She'd take us out to do the playground and chase us around, or we'd just throw balls around to see if we could catch them. We'd go on walks, and when we learned how to skate, we'd hop on our skateboards and ride down the trail as she walked. She'd find ways to incorporate scripture into every aspect of our lives, constantly driving through the importance of obedience being better than sacrifice. My grandparents always takes us to get our hair cut, and without fail, there was McDonald's at the end as a treat. He just so happened to get us new electronics whenever he'd buy his own. He shares with us stories of what he and our great Uncle Brian used to get up to as children. To better our life with wisdom, he can now give to us. He always encouraged us to read, which expanded our knowledge and encouraged the imagination. Masha the Mama is my great grandparent. She used to have us compete for the front passenger seat, not realizing it was illegal. Sadly, this was stopped as soon as our mother found out. When we were younger, she let us switch channels from her westerns to watch BattleBots or American Ninja Warrior with us in the morning, something I wouldn't realize the significance of until later on. She loves playing bingo and telling us stories about her childhood, always with a lesson tied in, and encouragement that we can do anything with God. Whenever we get to our Nan and Bert's house, we're sure to go up those 2 flights of stairs to see Sugar Mama and her lessons of integrity. My Papa and Grandma watch movies with me, from Alien to Black Adam. Sometimes we get the family together to play a variety of games, from Monopoly to Bones. They always represent an opportunity to reconnect with my dad's side of the family, as I bring everyone together, whether that be for the holidays or just driving upstate to see us. Whenever they get the chance, they pour wisdom into us about proper leadership, which I am forever grateful for. Grandparents are wisdom givers. Their whole life, they gain knowledge through the hardships they face to pass down to us. I know for certain that if my grandparents weren't pouring into me, I wouldn't have the desire to learn, live a family in God, and courage to do what is right. I simply wouldn't be the young man I am today. I encourage you to spend time with your grandparents and love your grandparents, because they are a blessing. Thank you.